Well, former Sikkim Chief Minister and SDF President Pawan Chamling was in 𝗵𝗡 today campaigning for party candidate and former Indian football team captain 𝗦𝗶𝗶𝗵𝗏𝗏. Chamling took part in an election campaign meeting at 𝗵𝗡𝗏𝗶𝗃 Bazaar, accompanied by SDF Lok Sabha candidate P.D. Rai, 𝗵𝗡 candidate 𝗦𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗫𝗏 and party workers. In his address, Chamling shared several programs and plans of the SDF for upliftment rural Sikkim, including full empowerment of panchayati system, livelihood and business opportunities and tourism development. He promised free rice, free electricity and free cooking gas to the villagers, along with washing machines to every family. He also promised to allot half acre of land for the landless villagers. He also promised to establish a degree college and sports academy in 𝗵𝗡.